Hello, friends. Today I kind of did some prep work before I started videotaping, so these videos will be a little bit shorter. But I did this, and I also cut out some pumpkins, and I thought I would show you another card to make, and I also embossed it with these little uh, dots. I thought that would be kind of cute. Kind of give it some texture. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to cut out both of these. Let's see. Here we go. And our card. Well, y'all can't see it. Either that or the hello can go like right here. I don't really like that. I like it down here. I think it just fills it in better. All right. And then I think we'll glue this down. Here we go. Okay. And then let's see. One there. Yeah. I think this one can come down further. And There we go. They're supposed to be self-sticky, but what do y'all think? So, alright. Well, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And leave me a comment and tell me what else you'd like to see on my channel. And that's it for now. So, see you later. Bye.